दुनिया की सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट फ्लाइट लेके मैं आया हूँ फ्रॉम मॉस्को टू व्लादिवोस्टॉक एंड आया हूँ मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ टाइम बिताने इन खबरोस्क। इस वीडियो में आपको एक टिपिकल रशियन अपार्टमेंट या फ्लैट का टूर देते हैं। Basically fully furnished apartment. So how much is something like this?
So I'm paying like...
So this is the internal heating.
So now we're going to prepare what? Solyanka.
Solyanka, сборная солянка.
मैंने शुरू की है दुनिया की सबसे लंबी ट्रेन जर्नी, द ट्रांस-साइबेरियन ट्रेन जर्नी, जो कि मेरी ड्रीम जर्नी भी है। मैं आया हूँ व्लादिवोस्टॉक से खाबरोव्स्क, जहाँ मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को मिलने वाला हूँ। Okay, mostly. So you have one door here and और एक दरवाजा, because it gets so cold that you need two doors and that acts like a layer. Did I close it properly? So as you enter, the tradition in Russia is to remove all the footwear, right? Here on the side.
How much snow and...
Yeah, obviously. Also in India we have the same. And घर में हम enter करते हैं तो सारा जूता वगैरह निकालते हैं. Oh, this is like a wardrobe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, this is one wardrobe here. And what is this for?
It's also
Shoes?
some,
Like a shoe rack.
Some stuff.
Oh, random stuff. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
My cosmetic here.
Oh, cosmetics.
Superb. Mind-blowing. Fantastic.
Yes.
Okay, this is the living room area. I like this wallpaper from 1955.
Hey, I was just joking, yaar.
It's like this. I'm sure Keaton did not install because he does. You don't need more height. This is like one of those old wall units which separate the part of the living room. Like that kind of becomes like an office, and this kind of becomes like a. This is the lounge, and this is the seating area and the TV room. Well, this is the TV here. Oh, this is where you work, right?
Yes, it's my...
This one you have to tell me, because this is the system in Russia and I think in Ukraine also.
So this is the internal heating. It goes with the pipes and...
This comes from the government, right?
Yes. But you're paying for this monthly. I
You
mean,
can-
not a crazy
so-
money, but
You can turn it up and down, the heat.
Oh, okay,
you can make
okay.
it warmer.
Yeah,
But because our apartment is warm, so...
It's kind of...
Anyway, so you, yeah, but you can turn it down and then you use less, and do you pay less?
Yeah.
Yes, but touch this sink. But not with oil. Let's try.
When do they turn it on? There's a specific time of the year.
It's about
November.
Beginning of November. I think.
And before November, if it gets cold, then how do you heat?
No, it's not cold.
It's not cold. Okay, so they turn it on. They know when to turn it on.
Even too early.
Okay. Until like April, May, June or whatever.
About April, I think.
तो ये सिस्टम है कि हर घर में every house has this kind of a
Every
system, right?
Yes.
You could install your own heater as well.
If you have your own house, no, this is apartment.
Okay. Apartment के अंदर you have the common one, but अगर if खुद का घर है तो you install your own those electric ones, I guess, right? तो इनका हीटिंग सिस्टम हर घर में, हॉल में, अभी हम किचन में हैं। ये जो यहाँ पर गर्म पानी आता है वो गवर्नमेंट से आता है, और 6 महीने या जो उनका विंटर पीरियड है वो टाइम पे चालू होता है, उसके बाद बंद हो जाता है। Okay, and this is the, we will not show this because this is, oh wow, look at this, so nice. So wait a second, so you're saying that, okay, you open it like this, why?
Because you, like if you're drying things, you can have the...
So you have a little bit of air coming in.
Yes.
And if you open the other way, like...
Also, if the wind is strong, it can't open the window.
Okay, yes. Yeah, this is a system I've seen before. Look at this girl, she's thinking, who's this crazy people enjoying snow like this? Nobody enjoys snow. But it's quite windy here, huh?
Yeah.
I didn't expect it to be so windy.
It's exactly today like this.
Even I was in Murmansk, it was not like this. Okay, close. For a few minutes is okay. Okay, then this is like the balcony area.
Yep.
And this is the map of Russia. I wanted a map like this. This is that scratch one, right?
I
Like
don't know, it was here when we come.
Whichever place you go, you scratch it off.
You see?
Yeah, so this guy, whoever's map it was, he only went to this country. Which country is this? I don't even know. Oh, this is China.
Oh, he has another one scratched off.
Turkey.
What is that? Turkey.
Turkey.
So this guy only went to China and Turkey and a little bit of Italy.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. Wow.
This is a very popular map
Also
to get.
here in the States.
I also want this map now, but it's not ours.
Everywhere they are selling this. So this is the balcony area. You have Keaton's luggage, Victoria's luggage, Is there like an attic or something? You can go up?
This is the
It's like the stairs. Like if there's an
Safety.
emergency, you can go. Like we have one underneath as well. But as you can see, everybody will do the same thing. They have all the luggage there.
And they fall over each other. This is emergency escape, basically, if the building is on fire.
in
supposed to
case,
be.
yes.
Oh, interesting. This is Keaton's personal sofa. This is where he's
This is what happens
watching all the birds.
when I get in trouble. This is what I have to. When you sleep on the sofa, this is where I sleep.
Oh, this is where you sleep in the cold. This is a little bit more cold. No, you have the sofa here. You can sleep here. I'm trying to figure out the place as well. Okay, so this is the bathroom. This is a standard bathroom. Washing. Oh, you have this heating element here also, right? So you can put it on this and it's going to dry faster.
No, but this also for hot water.
Yeah, hot water and then also also coming from the government.
Yes.
Oh, so you don't have like a individual boiler.
No, it's all around the house.
एंड ये हीटिंग सिस्टम बाथरूम में भी है जहाँ पूरा गर्म पानी आता है और यही गर्म पानी आपको शावर में मिलता है. ये हीटिंग सिस्टम 6 महीने के बाद जब भी बंद हो जाता है तभी बाकी के 6 महीने जो समर के हैं वो लोग कैसे गर्म पानी लेते हैं. वो जो बाथरूम का गर्म पानी है वो फिर भी आते रहता है लेकिन जो हीटिंग का गर्म पानी है वो बंद हो जाता है. लेकिन एक पीरियड होता है 2-3 हफ्ते जब ये मेंटेनेंस करते हैं तभी गर्म पानी नहीं आता है. तभी के टाइम पे ये लोग क्या करते हैं, जैसा इंडिया में होता है इंस्टेंट गीजर लगाते हैं. इंस्टेंट गीजर का जो शावर है वो अलग है और रेगुलर शावर अलग है. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग सिस्टम है. ओके, सो बट इन द समर इफ यू वांट हॉट वाटर देन
It still works.
oh, it still works in the
It
summer.
still works. Only in the bathroom there.
Only in the bathrooms it works. Okay, because in India we have individual boiler. Before going to the shower 10 minutes before I have to turn it on. It's basically a geyser.
We
Yeah.
also have sometimes they switch off the hot water for a week or two when they
Yeah, their maintenance. And this is like a kitchen where we made solyanka.
Yeah.
Afterwards we will try because it looks yum. So this is natural apna normal kitchen with fridge and all. It was a painting class.
Wine,
So you paint together, you have wine
They
and you
teach-
fall in love together.
they giving you the painting, they giving you a glass of wine.
But a very nice picture this one is.
But then, yeah, in South Africa, my mother made it a gift. She made it as a magnetic puzzle.
I see it. Oh, this you got it done in South Africa.
Yeah.
I don't imagine anybody doing this here.
This we were in China. This was teaching English in China.
Yeah, her family.
Oh, how long did you guys stay there?
6 months.
Apartment, everything comes with the rent or whatever, right?
Yeah.
You get the furniture. It's basically fully furnished apartment. So how much is something like this, Vika, for a month?
This is apartment luckily I found through the girl I was studying with.
Okay.
So I'm paying like I would say $300.
Okay, that's not bad.
$300, but this is a center of the city,
That's why.
and it's good price. Believe
Good
me,
price. Right?
because
Otherwise,
I
you
was-
can't get this apartment. First of all,
Mhm.
you know, if this apartment was like a newer apartment, it would cost more because
Oh,
you're in the
yes.
middle of the city,
Cost
and this is a big
$700.
city. It's not like a small town. So actually, it's quite a reasonable price because you pay for
It's
the
even cheaper
location.
than it's supposed
Like you
to
saw
be because this is a girl no, and before I was trying to check other apartments.
In
First
the
of
city.
all, they most of them more expensive, like about extra $100.
400, yeah.
Plus we have to pay for heat, electricity. Here I'm paying extra only internet and the
Electricity, yeah.
electricity.
Normally, when we rent also in India, whoever rents, if I rent an apartment, I pay for the electricity, and I pay for whatever I use on a
Water,
regular
yeah.
basis. Yeah.
No,
yeah.
for us only electricity. We're not paying for water. They're paying for water.
So when you have a shower, don't worry about it. Take as long as you like.
So this hot water, that is this heat or the hot water, it's all one coming from the government, right? There's one
Yes.
charge, one
Yes.
price, right? How much would that be in a month? $50?
About $10, I would say.
$10 a month, hot water and all the
Heat is
heating?
kind of expensive. Heat can be okay. This is one room apartment.
Yeah.
Kitchen is not a room. One room apartment will be about maybe $50 per month.
$50 for the heat that
yes.
you have to pay to the government.
But
In
if
India, we
for
have
one
one, we say one bedroom hall kitchen, 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2 bedroom hall kitchen. When we say one bedroom, is that there is one bedroom hall which is the living
kitchen.
and kitchen. This is how we say. But here, this is a one room apartment.
Yeah.
So the heat price depends how many square meters you have.
Yeah.
Obvious.
But that's I think everywhere. Now we're going to prepare what? Solyanka.
Solyanka, сборная солянка.
Bornes.
Сборная.
Sborne
That
Slanka.
means everything you've got there, you
Uh-huh.
put in one pot, you mix, and it's ready. Sborskaya.
Borskaya.
Yes.
Borskaya.
The pickles, onion.
Onion.
Yes, and the bouillon is already ready. I bought chicken here, so it's a fat water there.
Oh, like the chicken broth. So this is chicken broth.
Yes.
Very traditional, the pickles.
Yes, this I've seen somewhere else. No, not now. I'm having tea now. So sausages and salami at the bottom.
You can put any meat.
That's what you said, no, at the beginning. It's a mix of whatever you have.
Yes.
Whatever you have in the house, you can put.
You have these very famous sausages, like
Salami.
Yeah, salami. Yeah.
Yeah, I
So
bought-
chicken
yes.
pieces with broth is here.
It was-
Now she will put
yes.
olive,
Olive.
and now and she has put already the pickles inside and tomato
And
pasta.
tomato pasta is coming. Mamma mia.
Mamma mia! Vika looks excited to speak English with somebody not Keaton. So tomato pasta and all the ingredients are now finally gone in
The
this
base.
broth. Looks delish with expert Vika. What are you cooking for her next, Keaton?
steak and noodles.
Oh, okay, yeah. You take the rest of the thing and you put. Okay, this is the same in all parts of the world. Okay, let's see how to eat this.
But you try first without.
Yeah, of course, because I want the natural flavor.
Yes.
So this is the style only Keaton does. So don't try this at home.
No, it's
It's a Russian style. I think I have seen this somewhere. You put mayonnaise.
Yes.
but
like
the mayonnaise
this.
is not so strong. Like in South Africa, the mayonnaise is.
Yeah, it's more creamy.
Try first from
Solyanka.
kitchen if you like with a
I think I've eaten something similar with this.
You have a lot of different things
Like borscht.
as well.
Yeah, like borscht. Borscht, you put this, right?
Yes.
बट सलांका बहुत ही अच्छा था. आज मैं ट्राई करूंगा कुछ इंडियन खाना इनके लिए बनाया जाए. मैं काफ़ी सारा इंडियन खाना लेके आया हूँ, स्पाइसेस लेके आया हूँ, पोहा लेके आया हूँ. तो कीटन साउथ अफ्रीका से वहाँ पर इंडियन खाना खाता है, थोड़ा बहुत ये भी खाती है. Alright, we've made some Indian curry for the Russians. Look at the Russians, they are enjoying the curry. तो ये एक्सचेंज ऑफ कल्चर है ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ट्रैवल का यही अच्छी बात है. अब खबरोस्क में मैंने एक एक्स्ट्रा दिन कर दिया है. आज दोपहर निकलने वाला था खबरोस्क से, लेकिन इतना मज़ा आया इन लोग के साथ कि मैं एक दिन और रुक गया. मेरा ट्रांस साइबेरियन जर्नी में शायद एक और सिटी कम हो जाएगी, बट ठीक है, कोई नहीं. गो विद द फ्लो. यहाँ मज़ा आया, इनके साथ और मज़ा आया, और एक दिन ले लिया. एक दिन बहुत कम था इनके साथ. कल सुबह या दोपहर की ट्रेन में बुक करूँगा, किया नहीं है. चलो देखते हैं.